On March 15th, 2023, the Ides of March, this time-lapse video and 6 shorts were extracted from a beautiful, crisp, and clean winter's day. They included one each of crows, blue jays, cardinals, chickadees, a single sparrow, and the squirrels who kept trying to crash the party. Enjoy. Okay, so yes, this is for you. Shadow speaks. Only the shadow knows. Okay, here we go. I'm going to see if I can hit the camera. Ready? I'm going to set you down so that you can get the picture without it knocking around on you. So let's see what we got here. Right there. Okay, ready? Oh well, I'm getting a little closer. A little closer each time. Now for the time lapse of that beautiful day filled with birds, squirrels, and an old brain-dead idiot. Thanks for watching. Consider watching the other videos pulled from this day. There are links in the description below. One for crows, blue jays, cardinals, chickadees, a single sparrow, and squirrels. These 6 videos are in normal speed and slow motion. Thanks again.